In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a time off request in BambooHR. I'll demonstrate both perspectives, how to cancel a request if you're an employee who sent it, and how to cancel it if you're an administrator or manager who received it. Let's start with how you can cancel it as an employee. First, log into your BambooHR account. Once you're logged in, click on the My Info icon on the left-hand side of the screen. This will take you to your profile section. From there, scroll down and open the Time Off section. You'll be able to see all your upcoming time off requests listed here. Find the one you want to cancel and click the Edit button next to it. Then, click on Cancel Request. BambooHR will ask you to confirm your choice. Click Cancel Request again. Once confirmed, your time off request will be successfully cancelled. Now, let's move on to how you can handle it if you're a manager or administrator who received a time off request from one of your employees. Log into your BambooHR account and go to your home page. Here, you can scroll down to see the latest announcements and news. In some cases, you may also see recent time off requests displayed in this area. However, another way to access them is by clicking on the Inbox icon located at the upper right-hand side of your screen. Then select Time Off Requests. You'll now see a list of all pending time off requests submitted by your team members. Hover your mouse over the specific request you want to deny, and then click the Deny option. Once you do that, the request will be cancelled. You also have the option to leave a comment explaining why the request was denied. If you prefer not to leave a comment, you can simply click on No thanks, I'm done. And this is how you can cancel time off requests in BambooHR.